My name is Evelyn Carter. I am 78 years old, and I used to live in a little board house in Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
Just because somebody call you mommy and say them love you. Listen to me good. I am 78 years old, and I used to live in a little board house in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. It was not no big fancy place. The paint was peeling. The zinc roof used to rattle when the rain come down hard. And the front step had a crack in it from long before my husband passed. But it was mine. I worked for that house. I worked market. I washed people's clothes. I cooked in a school canteen until my feet swelled and my back felt like it would break.
Every block, every board, every sheet of zinc on that place came from sacrifice. After my husband Raymond died, that house was the only thing I had left.
His old church shoes were still under the bed. His Bible was still on the dresser. The mango tree he planted was still standing in the yard, giving shade like it knew I needed company. And now look at me. I am sitting in a care home, staring through a window at a concrete wall because my own son decided that my house belonged to him. His name is Marcus. I raised that boy mostly by myself after Raymond gone. I sell in the market. I take washing. I cook for people. I do anything decent I could do to make sure he had school shoes, lunch money, and a clean shirt on his back. And I never complained. That is what mothers do, don't it? We give and give until giving starts feel like breathing.
Marcus came back around heavy about a year and a half ago. Before that, he would call now and again, mostly when life squeezed him. Light bill, rent money, a little help with his car. I used to tell myself, my son, him just going through a rough time.
Then one Sunday after church, he came to my gate with 2 scandal bags in his hand and a sweet look on his face.